Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam API 64DLL not found error on a Steam game. First, open Steam on your computer and go to your library. Find the game that is showing the error. Right-click on the game and select Properties. After that, open the Installed Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game files and automatically download any missing or damaged files if they are missing. If the error still appears, the next step is to reinstall the game. In your Steam library, right-click the game and select Uninstall. After the game is removed, restart Steam and install the game again. This ensures that all required files are installed correctly. Another common reason for this error is antivirus software removing the file by mistake. Open your antivirus or Windows Security and add the game folder to the antivirus exclusion list so it is not removed again. After that, verify the game files again. You should also install or repair the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages. Some games depend on these libraries to run correctly. Visit the official Microsoft website, download the latest Visual C++ redistributable packages, and install both the x64 and x86 versions. After installation, restart your computer and try launching the game again. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the error. Thanks for watching.